Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a huge paper pad destash. As you guys know, I'm trying to get my craft room in order and I miscalculated and I need more cubby spaces on my calyx unit, so I have to get rid of an entire cubby of paper pads and some. So this first lot, I have 6 or 7 lots. This first lot, I'm just gonna get right into it. All of the lots are $39 shipped. So this is lot 1. This is Pink Paisley, Take Me Away. And I'm just going to do a quick flip through. Some of the pages could be missing papers. I'm just not sure. I know I've taken a couple from this paper pad. So I'm just going to go through. Super cute. I do still like these paper pads, but you know, I had to lay them out and pick who I liked over who. So it was hard, but I need to do it, and it needs to be done. So there's that paper pad. Then there's this one. It's called Llama Love, Hot by Paper Pad. Oops. Has just some fun prints in here. Not all of them have llamas on it, so you could use it for other things. Foiling, more gold foiling. Really pretty florals. I know I've used a couple in here. Cut aparts. Okay, there's that one. Next is this, what is this called? Soho Boutique. It's got like lots of purples and golds. Oh my gosh, this is hurting my thumb like a workout. Really pretty florals. I think this one might be brand new. I don't know though. This one is by Crepe Paper. It's called Do It Yourself Shop. It's got like a vintagey feel, little like typewriters and stuff. Love the music notes. Again, I think I've used a couple of the sheets in here. That one. Then you get this one right here, which is Always Christmas from Michaels. It's got gold foiling. Swans, I did use, looks like a couple sheets in here. Okay, and then this one right here. I remember buying this for my Etsy shop. So it shows you how to make flowers and stuff in the back, but I didn't use it for that. It is double-sided, so it has stars. I just have like probably 6 of these paper pads, so I was getting rid of some of them. It has a really pretty watercolor, and I think it's a good background piece, and it comes with like different shades, pinks, oranges. And then again, like I said, it is double-sided with like a different pattern. This kind of has like a florally red, corally color, yellowy watercolor, green, and then a lighter green. Okay, so that was lot 1. Again, all of the lots, oops, are $39 shipped. This is lot number 2. It's this one. This is like a neutrals. Lots of gold foiling. Good neutral paper pad. This one also comes with one of these. Like I said, I have like 6 of these paper pads. It's all of these watercolor ones. So I'll just flip through it really quick because you guys already saw it. This next one is from this Chamel. This is from Tuesday Morning. I like that one. Love that heart one. Oh my gosh, this is hurting my thumb. I'm gonna have to go this way. Whew, give my other thumb a break. And then there's some pieces that weren't used in the front. I think I got this in a destash, and now it's like I'm destashing. Okay, so there's that one. Then you get this Fa La 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 Christmas one. pink little llamas. I used several llamas from there. Little cut apart tags. Okay, there's that one. Then there's this one. This is DCWV. It's called Immortal Love. I did get this for Halloween. I wanted to use it for Halloween, and I just... the holidays are just way too crazy and busy, and it's like I never have time to do what I wanted. I love this like damask pattern. It's got like glitter accents on probably every other page. It's really pretty. Very Dracula vibes. That's what I was going to use it for. That could be for like car stuff. Okay. And then this one. This is the Uptown Chic one. I have used a lot of this, but I've used it on too many projects. Probably 2 or 3 projects already. Lots of gold, pink, and teal. Love these colors. Okay, so that is lot number 2. Lot number 3. My camera doesn't run out. Okay, so this is Sweet and Sassy. Let's see. This one is double-sided, as you can see the cut-aparts. It's got really pretty stripes. Little cut-apart, like, gold foiling. Okay. The next one, this is Antique Street. I've used several sheets in this one, I know. Got like tea vibes. Gold foiling on like lots of the pages. Post-its. Okay. Next is this one, Botanical Bliss. Ooh, super pretty. Oh, like postcards in the back. Love this floral. Super cute. Just reminds me of like wedding. Next is this one. This is by DCWV. I don't know what it's called. Look how cute. And this is like a very thick cardstock. I don't know how to describe it. Lots of black and whites. Very cute. Gold foiling. And then these ones. Next is this. This is the Northern Lights. I did not even cut the seal on this one, so those. Again, I just feel like I'm not going to use these just because I'm not going to do any swaps. The holidays are just like too crazy. So I don't want these to go to waste. Oof, love this page. Okay, brand new. And last but not least for this lot, number 3 is this Natural Neutral Colors. I had, yeah, and this one's not even opened. When I was doing my Etsy, I had to have lots of solid colors. So these are like blues, grays. This is like a grayish minty color. It's like a taupe brown, darker gray, lighter gray, and an even lighter taupey-ish gray. $39 shipped. Lot number 4. Ice crystals. Love those music notes. There's that one. This one is Confetti by DW, whatever, DC. I've used this paper pad on too many projects now, so I don't want to keep using it. But I love all the like glitter. It's got glitter, gold, sprinkles. Super cute. Love this page. And you get this one. This is the Paper Studio Mint Berry. This is like a textured-y type of cardstock, like a thinner textured cardstock. Cute bows, florals. Next is this one. This is by Recollections. It's like a succulent cactusy western vibe. I've used this on projects. Look how cute those heart cactuses are. This one, this is a Sophisticated Neutrals. It's got silver foiling as like some of the accent pages. Whoa! Oh, cray cray. Then you get this Mombi Sheets Christmas one. Oh, have I not used this one? Yes, I have. I don't know why it's. Well, this page has got some tearing on the corner because of this stupid sticker stuff. It's got like white glitter accents and gold. And then you get this, which is a cardstock 12 by 12 pad. Brand new, not opened. Purple, blue, green, yellow, pink. That was lot number 4. Number 5 is this. This is the Tim Holtz. Like, it looks very vintagey. I did use it for Halloween, and it is double-sided. This is like a 8. Is this an 8 by 8? I don't even know. 8 by 8. This is the Bloom Boutique from Hobby Lobby. This is a super pretty floral one. These are like papers. This isn't cardstock. So I made lots of like little embellishments and envelopes with these. That's my favorite page, that floral. And that bike. And then you get this Metallics Christmas, or holidays, I should say. Happy holidays. Rose gold, golds, silvers. And then you get this paper pad right here. This is a Recollections glitter paper pad. It's like that fine, I don't know how to describe that, like a glitzy glitter. It's got golds, greenish, like ombre style, like a pretty bluish ombre, purple, and then pinks. Then you get this one right here. This is a hot buy called Serenity. It's got swans in it. Oh. And then you get this one right here. This is that paper pack 12 by 12s, purple, blue, green, yellow, and pink, solid colors, brand new. And then you get this one. This is 180 pieces. It's Mama Jamba thick. Christmas. Oh. I'm gonna try to go really fast. These are thinner. It's not cardstock, not like a thick cardstock at all. There's that one. To lot 6. Lot 6 is this one, DCWV or whatever. This is to like also make stuff, but I didn't use it for that because it's double-sided, so it has like kind of like solid prints for like background pieces. I'm just gonna go through it. Bunnies, pinks. And then the front piece ripped off. This one is Simple Joy, DCWV or whatever. Love this floral. This is double-sided, as you guys can see. Whoa. I'm gonna get this one. This is Iris Lane. Super pretty. I don't have time. I have so many ideas, so little time. Love all the like gold foiling with this purple, just makes it pop. And then we have this one. This is Mombi Sheets from Hobby Lobby. I did use several sheets of here. Oh, my cheetah, my beloved cheetah. There's only one left of that one. Okay, there's that one. And this one is called Letters from Home, DCWV. This is double-sided. It's got like typewriter and then font. It's got these little like, I don't know what those are called. Like words, rulers, measurements. This is like that when kids are learning how to draw little stencil things. Stencils, that's the word. Fancy script. Like an old book, kind of. Super neat. And you get this one. It's called Say Freeze. Really pretty red glittering details. That one. And then I can get this one. This is Cool Neutrals. I had like for my Etsy. So this one is never been opened. It's got the grays. Oh, come on, thumb. Grays, lighter gray, minty color, minty green, gray, teal color. Really pretty. And then like a light gray. Never been opened. Whew, that was a lot. My thumb just got a freaking workout. Okay, so that is lot number 6. Like I said, they're all $39 shipped, PayPal only, friends and family only, and they will ship in a flat rate box. And first person to email, obviously, gets to claim. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.